Superannuation is the primary way Australians save for their retirement. Let's look at how this system works for your future. In Australia, this is commonly referred to simply as super. It is a mandatory savings system designed to build wealth over your working life. Employers are required by law to pay a minimum percentage of your wages into a designated fund. This rate increases periodically. Beyond employer payments, you can add your own money. The earnings on these investments are taxed at a lower rate than standard income. Unlike a standard bank account, money in your super fund is generally locked away until you reach a specific preservation age. The real power of the system is compounding. By contributing early, your money has decades to grow through market returns. Remember that while you can choose your fund and investment options, the goal is to build a nest egg for your later years. Check your super balance regularly and consider your investment options. Thanks for watching and stay informed about your retirement savings.